Hey guys, what's up? It's me Vinayak. It's a long time. I hope you all are safe in this pandemic. And in this pandemic, there is a huge demand of vaccines. And to fulfill this demand, our government made a portal named Cowin. So people who age between people who age between 18 to 44 are facing difficulties. So that's why I made a Python script to tackle this huge problem. So now we can find available slots in few clicks. So let's start. So to start, we have to see the open APIs. Open APIs. Now we directed to the apisetu.com. Okay, now we can see here there's some metadata APIs. So let's start from states, then districts. Okay, so start, try it out. So delete this. We don't need this. Execute. So this is the API of states. So now we can control shift. So these all are the states. So this format is in JSON format. So to make it viewable, we have to convert it into another format. Process. JSON formatter is a open source, so you can use from Google. So these all are the states with state ID. So as I am from Delhi, I have to choose section ID 9, state ID 9. Sorry. So we can note it here 9. So 9 is our state ID. Get back to the API section. Now we have to choose district. So try it out and delete this. And here we have to choose 9 state ID. Okay, execute. So these all are the districts. This is the API of district. So district 9. So these all are the districts of Delhi. Control C and let's paste here. Process. So now we can see districts as well. District ID, Central Delhi, New Delhi, North Delhi, South Delhi. So as I am from South Delhi, so I have to choose 149. So let's note it 149. Let's get back to the API section. So now we have state ID and district ID. Now we have to choose appointment availability by district. So now we can use try it out with this. District ID is 149, right? We have to change the date. Date is 31/3. It's 3 of June. Okay, execute. Now we can see there is a API of 3 of June. We paste. These all are the slots. These are the places where vaccine is available in this district. Okay, so we have to select all. Control C. Put it in this box. Convert it to the from JSON format to readable format. So these are the sessions. These are in dictionary format. So you can see there is a state name, district name, block name, not applicable, pin code. Okay, all data is available in this. So it's a huge data. Okay, so let's back to the code. So I made a Python code. This is our Python code. I import request time, and here I can correct my district to 149. So this is a URL of API which we have to use. Dot format, district, and date. These all are, this both are the variables that I used. This header, so you can find the header from this website, Postman. So here you can find the header. This, okay. So let's back to the code. So we use the header, and in this I define a function find availability. So here I use a counter 0. So result is we use a get function and headers equals to header. So um, I import the JSON data into another file result.json. So all the JSON data stored into this. So uh, then you will ask why we use this session. So as I told you, this all data is in sessions. So it's in dictionary format. So we use this. Okay. Then we use a for loop for each loop in which we use a condition of available capacity more than 0 and minimum age limit equals to 18. Okay. Then we use a counter then for iteration, and if it will be true then okay, and if it false then no available slots. So in last I used a while loop find availability, and if it's true sleep time of 5 seconds. Okay, find availability in loop. So let's run this. So here we can see Madhukar Rainbow Hospital. So we can check it in Cowin. Search by district, Delhi. Okay, South Delhi. So you can find there are so many. Yes, here it's available. So we can find this vaccine slots using Python script and by using API from this method. So that's it from my side in this video. Thanks. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel as I only have 19 subscribers. So please support me. Thank you.